Hi SAP enthusiasts, I am Shri and I make videos about SAP. If you vibe with what I say, please do subscribe to my channel SAP Vibes and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Today's topic is what are SAP T-codes? T-code stands for transaction code in SAP language. It is a 4 to 20 character alphanumeric shortcut that allows us to quickly access and execute specific functions or modules within SAP system instead of going through the complex hierarchical menu. Here is a sample screenshot of accessing a T-code in SAP menu. Moving on, while accessing T-codes through SAP menu, you can use /n before to the T-code for closing the existing session and opening a new session, or /o to maintain the current existing session as is and opening another new session. Example, if you have a T-code PA20 open and now you want to go to another T-code called PA40, using /n PA40 will close the existing session of PA20 and you will go to a PA40 transaction. If you use the transaction /o PA40, then the existing PA20 session will be as is and you'll go into a new session of PA40. So this is an example, you can try it out. Now, how to find T-codes for specific modules? There are different methods that you can use to find out the transaction codes. Here are a few methods that I have collated for you all. First is using SAP Easy Access menu, where you can type the T-code if you know it already and simply enter on it. Also, you can use SE93 transaction to search the specific T-code if you have the details. Another method is if you don't know the details but you have an idea of what module the T-code could be, you can use the TSTC table to find out the relevant T-code you are looking for. Using Ctrl F in SAP menu is also another option if you have an idea about the text that could be there in the T-code description. Among all these, I generally find TSTC method is a simple and easy to use technique. If you know the relevant naming convention that your module has, you can give it a try. You can give the first two letters followed by star and find the T-codes with their descriptions as well. Please refer to few naming conventions of all the modules that I have collated for you. Lastly, what are the best practices for using SAP T-codes? First is adding them to favorites. By adding the T-codes to the favorites list, you can quickly access them whenever you want them. Next is memorizing the T-codes. So this is a little bit of effort related task, but if you remember them, you can access them anytime, anywhere. You can use /n/o shortcuts while you are accessing the T-codes, and also the Ctrl F functionality, and so on and so forth. One last thing is you always need to ensure that you have the right authorizations to access your T-codes. You can check SU01 or SU01D if you have the access to those specific T-codes that you are looking for. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment if you vibe with the content. Bye bye.